given you all the time we can. The site will be cleared at the end of the week.
And what are we supposed to do?
Everyone who cooperates will be relocated at the soonest opportunity.
This isn't fair. We've been here years. Our youngest was born here.
The site has fallen into a dire state, Mr. McDonough. This is no longer a safe place for children.
10 points if I smash it, yeah? Oh, close.
Fuck's sake.
Sorry. Did I break your heap of shit? I can't.
It's a time machine, you fool.
Time machine, is it? Look, George, look, time traveler.
But you're time traveler.
What was that?
Fuck off, you and your boyfriend. Friend, fuck off. Fuck off.
What did you say?
Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off.
Knock it off, the pair of you. Get in here. Dinner's ready.
Arsehole.
Mom.
Soft boy.
Dickhead.
Where are we gonna go, son?
We'll figure something out.
Start packing up tomorrow. You two will help me.
My car.
Oh, this is a pile of wank.
Language.
What about my car?
None of us like it, but it's just the way it is.
My car.
No one cares about your fucking car, man.
What about it?
Can I take it with us? It's nearly finished.
We can only take what we need.
You gave it to me. It's mine.
We've more important things to be worrying about, Martin, okay? Lads, drop that telly over there.
I have to finish it.
Shut the fuck up and turn off the telly.
Fuck off.
There's a hand with this here. Nice. You give it a rest, Martin. Stop fanning about with that shite bucket.
What about? It's not a shite bucket.
Waste of time is what it is. You need to get your head out of the clouds, boy. All this needs moving by tomorrow.
I don't want to move.
You don't have a choice. Right, it's time you start thinking of the family instead of only yourself.
The family? When do you ever think of me? I hate this family. I wish it was one of you.
Martin, get over here. Martin, come back here.
What are you doing? Get away from there.
Oh, sorry. Would you mind if I take these? I need them for my time.
It doesn't belong to you. It's not yours to take.
But you're throwing them out.
That's not the point. God, you're all the bloody same. Is it not enough what you've done to the field? Bloody eyesore. I'll be glad to see the back of you. Now go on. Get out of here before I call the guards.
Hey! What's wrong? What's wrong?
Why are they making this move?
They don't like us being here. We live in the way we do.
What's wrong with her?
I don't understand it. It makes him afraid.
Of what?
Dunno, Martin. Dunno.
I wish we didn't have to move.
Me too, kid. I'm sorry for shouting at you earlier. It's not a waste of time. It's a fine bit of work. We should be proud. Even if it is from a crap film.
It's not crap.
Time travel. Not a good it did him. He'd have been better off staying put in the present if you ask me.
No, he goes back and fixes things so his family have a better life at the end.
I'm sorry we can't take it with us.
Well, it doesn't matter now because we don't have time to finish it.
I know. Now, what's left to do?
Just these jokes here. See the thing at the back there? Look. Go back.
Is that all?
Yep.
Too bad looking. Huh? Think she can time travel?
Stop, I'm not stupid. Anyways, we wouldn't be able to get up to 8 mile per hour.
88 mile an hour?
That's to go up to 88 miles per hour to time travel.
All set. I'll give you the signal when we hit 88. She's a flyer, huh? It's some job. You know, not a word to your mother. Come on, man. Hey. We'll be fine. Won't we, lads? If not, we can always go back and fix things. All right, Martin?